What turns a kind heart into a vessel of cruelty? How do good people become monsters? The answer lies in the shadows of human nature, where morality battles with circumstances. Today, we delve into the psychology of this transformation. No one is born a monster. Every cruel act, every moral compromise begins somewhere small, with seeds sown in the soil of life experiences. These seeds often sprout from unresolved trauma, loss, or betrayal. When nurtured by pain, anger, or resentment, even the kindest person can start to lose their way. A psychologist explaining the role of childhood trauma and societal pressures in shaping behavior. The world breaks everyone, and afterward, some are strong at the broken places. But others break. Ernest Hemingway history shows us countless examples where circumstance has pushed good people into darkness. From soldiers committing atrocities in war zones to individuals turning corrupt in systems riddled with injustice. The human mind, under extreme pressure, often rationalizes actions that were once unthinkable. Circumstances don't create monsters, they reveal them. Sometimes, the transformation isn't born from within but shaped by the influence of others. Humans are social creatures, and the desire to belong can override personal ethics. In toxic groups, peer pressure, cult mentality, or even blind loyalty can turn a moral compass completely upside down. Evil seldom arrives in a single, dramatic moment. Instead, it creeps in gradually. Small compromises, tiny rationalizations, each step makes the next one easier. Before they realize it, they've become someone unrecognizable, even to themselves. Not all stories of transformation end in tragedy. With self-awareness, support, and a desire to change, many have found their way back from the brink. But for others, the descent becomes their identity, and redemption feels like an impossible dream. We all have the capacity for both good and evil. But the choices we make, the people we surround ourselves with, and the battles we fight within determine which side prevails. If you've ever felt the pull of darkness, know this: it's never too late to choose a different path. If this video made you think, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the human condition. Until next time, take care of yourself and your humanity.